Gee, Becky, what kind of person takes a job without finding out if they get off for Halloween first? Well, can't Mark call in sick? What do you mean that's lying? Where were you raised? No, I don't want him to get fired. Well, maybe next year then. Yeah, me too. Bye.
Hi, happy Halloween. Listen, your mom's really bummed out, and I'm going to try and help her get back her Halloween spirit. You want to help?
Not interested.
I'll give you $20.
Interested.
Okay, here's the plan. And we just want to get a rise out of her. So one thing that usually always...
Please, Jackie. I think I know how to scare my mother.
Hey, happy Halloween! Did you see the great pumpkin last night?
No, Dan wore pajamas.
Hey, Roseanne, did you see this? Evidently in Nebraska, where they grow corn for various corn products, there has been a rash of farmers losing body parts in threshing machines. Oh, God, that's in here!
Give it up, Jackie. Oh, man. Oh, Jackie, what did you do with the inside of the pumpkin?
I put it down the garbage disposal. That wasn't good.
Oh, no, Jackie, that wasn't good. Oh, man. Ugh. Turn that light on, will you?
You want to hand me that towel there? Thanks.
You gonna be okay, honey?
Let me put it this way.
Oh, come on, Rosie. I built that great costume for us. You'll play a few tasteless pranks on people. Everything will be fine once we get down to the lodge party.
I ain't going.
What? This is our special day. I mean, I know you're upset about Becky, but...
Oh, it's not just Becky. It's everything. After what we've been through this year, I just don't feel like putting on some stupid costume and partying.
Say it ain't so, Rose.
I don't know, just all of a sudden mooning the retirement home and stuffing dead fish through people's mail slots just seems somehow childish.